Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I'll be unboxing the Motorola Edge smartphone. This is the 2020 version. So here it mentions that there is a protective cover in the box, so I don't have to purchase a separate case for the smartphone. And on the side you have Motorola logo and a nice sticker that seals the case. Alright, and there's some details about what the box includes. It's got the Motorola Edge, turbo power charger, USB-C cables, guides, protective cover and SIM pin. And at the bottom you have this Motorola logo and Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset. Alright, so let's get into the unboxing. I'm gonna cut open the seal. So here I'm going to carefully lift the lid open, and there you see, so there's the phone, and here is another compartment. I believe this is where the smartphone case is, and the phone looks incredibly nice and sleek. I really like the look of it. This is not like the regular Motorola phone. This is a really nice phone. I read reviews online and that's why I decided to buy this. I just thought of giving it a shot. And so here is a small pouch that contains a readme guide that would have additional information regarding the phone and how to set it up, etc., and some regulatory information as well. And here is the pin that you can use to slide open the SIM tray. And here it is, as I mentioned, regulatory information and a readme guide. Alright. Looking further into the box, there is this USB-C cable and USB-C charger. It's the turbocharger, by the way. And let's have a look at the case that the Motorola gives. And this is a silicone-based case, so it's really nice that I don't have to purchase a separate case for this. So it's really good. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and open the cover that the phone is encased in, and wow, it looks really great. Looks really sleek and slim, and it's got this extended edge, and the back you get these rainbow like reflections. Alright, so let's have a closer look at the phone. So here you have this screen that extends across the edge, and here you have this Motorola logo, the flash. There's three cameras, so this one is the wide camera, this is the main camera, and that's the telephoto camera. At the bottom you have this laser autofocus system. At the side you have two buttons. This is the volume up and down button. This is nice and large, so you cannot miss it. And the bottom of that you have this power button. At the bottom of the device you have headphones jack, USB-C charging port, and microphone and speaker. At the top you have this small cutout for your earphone or speaker, and this is the front camera. Alright guys, so let's turn the phone on and see whether it turns on. I didn't charge the phone, and great, so the phone came with some charge, and it says it has this nice Motorola logo and powered by Android at the bottom. So nice animation of Motorola Edge. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up the phone. I'll probably go through a few screens with you guys. So I'm gonna select the country, gonna select start, connect into mobile network. I don't have a SIM, so I'm gonna skip it, and I'm gonna skip Wi-Fi as well. Alright guys, so I'm not going to show you guys all the setup screens. It is fairly straightforward and it's very similar to any other phone, and I'm going to be straight going to the home screen of the Android operating system. Alright, so here's the home screen. It feels really good and responsive. I really like the look and feel of this phone already. So I'm gonna give you guys a closer look here. So this is the unique feature of this phone, is that the screen extends into the edge. It's a very classy looking phone. Next, I'm going to install the case that the phone came with. This is a silicone case, and this is it fits really nicely, and this is very helpful because I don't have to shop around for another case. I can use the case it came with. It's a very good fit. Alright, so seems like there's an update, new system update available, and let's see. So it includes updates for Android through to October 1st. Gonna install it later. Alright, so here I connected the charger, and it automatically detects that the turbocharger is connected. Alright guys, this comes to the end of the video. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.